Hello guys. It's already like almost noon, I think.
11:55.
It's 11:55 and this morning I woke up at like a little after 7 and I went to the bathroom and I thought Chunky had peed like all over because there is like yellowish liquid on the toilet and on the counter, and I was like, what the heck? Like, why would he do that? And then I like cleaned it all up, and then I went back to bed for a little bit, and then Cole got up and went in here and all the water is back, so it's like raining in our bathroom, and it smells weird.
Does it?
Yeah, because like they're working on the apartment above us, which I don't know why that means that it's okay that there's liquid falling from our ceiling, but and it's also like in between the paint on the wall, like on this side there was like a bubble, like if you would focus, there was a bubble like right there, but it looks like kind of deflated now. But like, look at this. That's what it was like this morning, and I was like, what the heck? And now our shower curtain is all nasty. And the counter is just soaked everywhere. This is what I used like to clean it up this morning. And my brush is all wet. And like the toilet paper and our toothbrushes. Like, how is this fair? It sounds like it's in the shower too. Like, yeah. There's yellow water on the freaking bathtub. It's nasty.
Sounds nasty.
Yeah, and also like, hello Chunky. We have a mat in our bathroom if you guys have seen it, and so we just put it out here because like that side is just like wet. But it's kind of gloomy out today. But we might go to the waterfall. Whoa, this lighting. Might go to the waterfall today since it's like, it's not hot, but it's also not like really cold. So, but yeah, we just watched a movie and we want to shower, but I don't really want nasty water dripping on us while we're showering.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
I mean, we'll be in the shower. I think so. We have to shower.
Who needs to shower? Not us nasties. Okay, well, God, this is struggling. I think we're gonna go shower, maybe, and hopefully not drown in yellow nastiness.
Gross.
But yeah.
What if like the ceiling just collapses while we're in the shower and like sewage just starts pouring on top of us?
I wouldn't be surprised. But like, I feel like the ceiling has like cracked open more. Like the ceiling was already bad to start off with, like it was already like that. But I don't know if this was here already or not. But I think that's where a lot of it's coming from. But it's also just like coming through this crack, I think. And that one. I don't know. Look at our shower curtain. It's freaking dumb. And it smells weird. Whatever. Shall we shower?
Sure.
I have to pee.
Go for it.
The toilet's covered in water.
Just plop up the toilet seat shouldn't be wet. Only
Well,
the
I
cover.
know, but it's gonna fly off and go everywhere.
Yeah, that's what it did earlier.
Why didn't you wipe it off first?
because we're gonna have to clean up the whole entire thing anyway.
I know, but then it won't go on the floor.
It's already all over the floor. Oh my god. Crazy boy. Oh, you're so cute. I'm vlogging. Hello guys. This is the first time of you guys seeing me since me's just sitting over there. Way in the background. But tomorrow is our 9-month anniversary. I have to work, so we are going to celebrate today. We're gonna go, it's not like anything fancy, we're just gonna go out to eat. We're gonna go to KFC. Our tie-dye shirts and the tie-dye socks. I'm the only one that's gonna be wearing the tie-dye socks because Katie doesn't like the way they look, or she doesn't wear socks that go up that high or something like that, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, we are going to go eat KFC here in a second. Our ceiling stopped leaking, thank God. Katie's over here brushing her teeth. Look at that beautiful girl. Oh yeah. Blessed. So, but yeah, we're gonna go eat. Probably gonna go shopping after that, so we're gonna take our camera. Might go to the waterfall later. Might go to the mall and walk around. Not really sure. But Katie applied for a few more places. JCPenney's, PetSmart again, because there was positions that opened up. And it's like a boarding hotel for dogs. I don't think it's a chain, so I'm not going to say the name. But for like a pet care. And oh my god, Chunky. Why are you so cute? God, he's so fat. Hey, I'm sorry. Alright, Katie, ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not gonna brush my hair because my brush was wet from all the crap.
Oh, yeah?
Did you tell him where you're gonna wear your shirts tonight?
I showed him and I said you were wearing yours.
Yeah, because in the last vlog we said we were gonna wear these, so here we are.
Here we are. I like that hair.
I feel like I look weird when I don't wear my glasses now.
Really?
Well, like, I don't know, only sometimes.
Hmm.
It's weird. Cause like
sometimes it's weird and I feel weird and it's just weird.
Cause like when I used to like be in school and stuff, when I would like take my glasses off in school and like I would take like a Snapchat, I thought I looked like so weird. But after school I'd always have my glasses off and I thought I looked normal. Which doesn't make sense, but let's go.
Sometimes I don't understand you. Alright, so we'll see you guys when we get there. Ah, it's so dark.
By the way, we forgot to tell you guys that they're finally like painting on our floor.
What color was it?
It was like...
It wasn't like a pinkish or like a
was
salmon?
Like
oh my god, look at it now.
It was like kind of brown, I think.
Really?
Brownish, purplish maybe, I don't know. I don't remember. But it's only like in the part like right where you get up.
Wait, are you gonna want a hoodie?
Oh crap. Okay, well never mind, we're going to get me a sweatshirt because it's only like, it's gonna be less than 70 degrees out today. So
only less than 70 degrees.
I'm excited because I never get to wear sweatshirts anymore.
God, our summer was like nothing.
And I like live in sweatshirts. What are you talking about?
Like winter lasted for so long and now it's like the end of July and it's starting to get cool already again. It never got like really hot.
Yes, it did.
Barely, not like.
But our winter felt long because it started late. Didn't it like not even snow on Christmas? Or
yeah,
it just
barely snowed at all. The winter was just light. It wasn't that it started late. Hello, Chunky.
Whatever. Okay, well, we'll see you guys when we get there again.
Alright guys, we got the food.
The lady at like the register said that our shirts took her to a whole nother world and that we were cute.
Gold. This is why we come to KFC.
Yeah, they love us.
I don't even know if they can hear us, but
they know us. The people here, I'm sure they do by now.
thank God.
Okay, so we just got done eating. Now I think, oh my lord. Now we're gonna go to the waterfall area. What are you doing?
Moving my shoulders like Shaq does in that video.
In what video?
You haven't seen that video?
I don't know what video you're talking about. You're just moving your shoulders.
Yeah, it's like a meme. Shaq goes like this. He's like,
I don't know, but
oh my god.
the food was good. Now let's go walk.
Yeah. It was funny. I was putting my tray. I was like dumping the stuff into this thing, and the tray with all the stuff in it just flew into the garbage out of my hand. I was like,
yeah, it was like he just dumped his whole tray in there. Then he had to pull it out.
Happened.
Okay, well, time to go walking. Hey guys, we made it. Ow. We have to like walk down a little trail to get to the waterfall, but there's some water right over here. If you can hear that, I'm sure you can. Right over here. It's so pretty. We just took some cute pictures, which will maybe be like our channel picture and stuff, but here's a little tiny waterfall. Wow.
Will you give me $5 if I jump?
No. What are you doing?
Nothing.
By the way, guys, this is where I took my senior pictures. By the way, guys, I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, I took my senior pictures here and they turned out pretty. Here's the actual waterfall. This is the top of it. What?
A log.
Wow, a log. But I took some senior pictures like right on that rock. Yeah. Pretty. If you haven't seen any, go look at my Instagram.
There's people coming.
I know. So this is the big waterfall, and there's people down there. Hello. Yeah. We're gonna go down there.
Let's do it.
What are you? Stop it. God. This reminds me of Mamma Mia, the first one, when she slides down the railing.
This elegantly?
No, the last one. Oh my god. Okay, well that's done.
You look cute.
But has been through a lot today.
Sounds nasty. We'll do that thing, but the opposite. Give me your hand.
What?
It's like you. This is what we're gonna be going on, guys. To go next to the big waterfall. Ah, I just hit my shin.
You should tell them about the first time we were here.
No, I'm not gonna tell them about that. It's awkward, and you guys are never. Tell you what, when we hit 1,000 subs, you guys can come back to this. No, 100. When we hit 100 subs, you guys can come in and ask me about that story. But until then, it's a no-go. The other day, I worked really late till like past 11, and then I went to a store afterwards, and I got Katie roses, chocolate, more chocolate. One of them were truffles, like the good ones full of caramel, the expensive ones. Bath bomb, cosmic brownies.
They don't have caramel, they have chocolate.
I thought they were caramel chocolate.
No. Why are you so close? Holy crap.
This is like in a video game. Choose your route. Your route. Your route. Safe side. Dangerous but faster. No, safe.
I took a picture right here, like.
Wow. But then I got her roses and stuff, and I got home, and it was like almost, it was like past 12, like 12 a.m. when I surprised her, and she was in bed. first thing she said when I got into the room, she was like, "What are you doing?" You can do it. Woo! Anyway, we'll show you guys when we get down there.
Look at all this writing. What are you? Good Lord. We're almost there, guys. It's like right there. Ooh, guys. It's so pretty. Whoa.
Wow.
We're getting all wet and misted. What?
I said it's nice and dry in here.
He said it's nice and dry. I don't know if you heard him. What? Hear him, he said we can't afford water.
It's bad when we can't even afford water.
We can. So like 2 days ago I applied for like 3 more jobs.
Oh, I told.
Oh. Yeah.
Guys should start getting excited. The wedding vlogs will be up soon. It'll be us at the fair, us in Brookings, back in my hometown.
Yeah, like
Great.
less than a month. There's a house that we want right there, but I'm not gonna show you. But I don't know, I don't have to say anything else.
Yeah, that's almost in like just half a month almost.
Yeah.
It's really close.
Yeah.
Excited. We can't really afford it on our own anyway. And I guess I have to be the best man in the wedding, so
I guess.
Katie's nervous because she's gonna have to sit by herself while I'm up there.
Yeah, and I don't know like any of his family, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna be awkward.
She
I'm
knows
just an awkward person in general.
I know. You'd be even more awkward.
I'm gonna be with your family, who I've never met. Well, I will have met them before the wedding, but just like a few days. I don't know.
You'll know my grandma and grandpa.
Well, yeah. But we took a bunch of cute pictures, so keep a lookout on our channel. I might change the pictures on there today. Maybe. And there might be an intro on this vlog. Possibly. Because we filmed like 2 things for it, but we have to do like 1 more thing, but I don't know how it's gonna work, and I don't know what music, and I don't know. So
As soon as we started like recording it, both of us instantly thought of the Full House intro
Yeah.
music. I was like, I wish we could play that.
everywhere you look, everywhere, hand to hold on to. I love Full House.
It's a little sweaty.
I know they are, because I'm hot. Okay. Well, we're almost to the mall, so. Wow.
Don't put this on the vlog.
Why not?
Because we're in the fitting room.
So,
This is PG-13.
no, it's not. You have clothes on. Cole has to find some dress pants.
I don't know if I have any or not, actually. I should probably look. I should look at Target.
We're in Herberger's and like look at how empty it is because they're going out of business. But you can like buy their tables and stuff and their shelves. Okay, so it's a little bit later. We got Cole some dress pants from Target because they had like a lot of better ones. They had nicer ones, but they were just like a little bit more expensive, but not too much.
Not that
And they weren't even like expensive anyways. But now we're gonna go get groceries.
I'm gonna tell you guys a story. You may not want to hear it, but I'm gonna tell you. to the Mongolian Grill, we get suckers. I've been getting the mystery ones. And the last four times I've gotten them, root beer.
Ew, that one's all dirty.
Yeah, because I like just set it in here because I don't even care. Root beer.
Yeah, we don't like the root beer ones. And I even got like 2 of them also, and they were root beer. So I have a theory.
They're rigged.
I have a theory that they got rid of root beer ones and just put them in the mystery ones.
Because no one
To
wants
get
them.
rid of them.
Probably right.
That'd be funny, but just rude. I like those suckers though. I like the cherry ones.
I like the mandarin orange. The grape isn't too bad. The grape is super nice, like when you're sick.
Well, I think I'm gonna write a grocery list on my phone, and then we're gonna go shopping. So, holy moly! Don't hurt yourself. Oh god. Oh my god. I don't like this at all.
I didn't want to risk it.
Okay, so we're back from the store, and like, these nectarines are freaking humongous. And these are from Walmart. Like, Walmart is popping right now with their fruit section. But Cole found his harmonica in his trunk. But we are going to make some mac and cheese.
Some American church.
Some mercatures.
Church.
And we're gonna watch a movie. What movie is it?
It's called Hours. It has Paul Walker in it. It's one of the very last movies he did before he passed away.
I've never watched it, so
It's good. I recommend it. Could you spin me?
we could probably bring our mat in now.
Oh, by the way, guys, for my brother's wedding, you will see, because we'll be taking some pictures, but
Don't mind that kitchen.
black pants, suspenders. We're not wearing jackets, because we're going to have white long t-shirts. We're going to roll them up. We're going to have bow ties. That's like, even that's what Seth's wearing too. That's what
Wow. And we found some pants. We found some dress pants. We were looking at Herberger's first, but they didn't have, like, they had ones that fit him good, but they were like, they weren't black. They were like kind of really dark blue.
Well, like they were black, but like they had a blue tint to them, so like, I don't know.
Like bluish gray. It was weird. But they weren't like black.
They were black.
Yeah, so we looked at Target and we found a pair that fit good, and they were only like $30. Target is the shiz. Hi. Oh, hi, Bubby. Did you miss me? Probably not. You're probably gonna attack me. He attacked me last night. Like, I just like laid down in bed and then he jumped up and attacked me, and I was like, I started laughing so hard, but it hurt. Yeah, we're gonna eat. So let's get cooking, Chunky. Chunky boy. Chunky. Whoa.
Hello. It is, what time is it? It's 9:33. Eating cheese and chips, like nachos. Queso, yeah. I think we're gonna say goodnight because I don't really think we're gonna do anything any more exciting tonight. We're just gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy. I just finished playing some Destiny 2. Started getting back into it. Katie was over there and she's just filling up this cup of milk and she's just pouring it in. She's like, oh, I fricked up. Or she said, I'm so dumb or something like that. And I was like, what? Now we're walking there and the milk is all the way full and there's like milk on the side of it, like it overfilled. And she's like, there's only so much left and I thought it was all gonna fit and then it just all came pouring out. I was like,
no, it looked like it was all gonna fit, and I started pouring it faster and it was too late before I realized that it was not all going to fit.
did you do like the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well,
there wasn't that much left in it. I don't know.
Well, anyway, we're probably gonna say goodnight. Chunky's already sleeping over there.
He's always sleeping.
That doesn't focus. There it goes. Sleepy boy.
We should show him the new mouse.
Oh yeah. So before we just had like the regular iMac mouse, now we have this sick, like, really nice mouse. And it fits like perfectly in your hand because it has like a spot over here for your thumb, spots over here for your fingers. And then so someone posted on Facebook, like I'll go in the Facebook, we both go in the Facebook marketplace. There's a box of free video games, and I thought that I saw some video games like on top like for PlayStation 3, and I was like, oh okay, it's really close. Oh, why not? Free. So I went down there. It had that mouse in it. It had like some Sony overhead headphones. Had a few PlayStation 3 games. It had Crash Bandicoot for PlayStation 1. It had the Sonic collection for PlayStation 2. A ton of computer games. All kinds of great stuff. An HDMI cord.
It has a ton of PC games.
Like a lot. Most of them are kind of crappy, but whatever. I'm probably just gonna donate them to like the Salvation Army or something. Just give them away. Everything that I didn't use, I'm probably not gonna take any of the PC games, but yeah. So you got a few things out of it. The best thing is probably that mouse. I think I saw one at Walmart that was similar, and it was like $40 or $50 or something like that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a fantastic morning, night, day, whatever you're doing while you're eating a snack. Whatever.
Morning, night, day.
Morning, night, or day.
Morning, night, evening.
A little butthole.
Afternoon.
So
Bye.
yeah, so peace out, my dudes. Yeah.